Okay, so hello everyone, and welcome to our webinar on the topic Uber hack simulation: how Lapsus breached our giant tech. I'm Nandini Bharadwaj, the operating officer at CyberWarFare Labs, and your host for today's session. So let's start. Okay, so if before proceeding, I want to introduce our us CWL. We are CW Labs, a global infosec company shaping the future of cybersecurity learning with a presence across UK, US, and India. Our mission is simple: make cybersecurity practical and accessible. We do this through our two powerful divisions. Number first is Niche Cyber Range Labs. It's a real world simulated hands on cyber labs. Infinity Platform, a continuous learning hub built for anyone who wants to upskill in cybersecurity practically. Additionally, CW will also provide customized on-site training for organization and accept bulk order for corporate upscaling. So, for inquiries or for more detail, feel free to reach out at support@cyberwarfare.live. So, let's move on to next slide. Up next, we have our speaker of today's webinar. Please welcome Subhashini KB, currently working as a technical or security consultant in Cyber Warfare Labs. Subhashini is a cybersecurity consultant and she has interest in red teaming and APT simulation. She also writes technical blogs uh, and articles. Beyond breaking ethically, she also shares her insights through well crafted articles. So that's all about the speaker. And also, I'm very pleased to share that a few candidates, selected candidates, will get a 100% off coupon code of Infinity Learning platform at the end of the webinar. So stay tuned for that. Along with that, they will get the certificate of attendance as well. So from here, I would like Subhashini to take over and let's get started. Thank you. Also, one more thing before starting, I'll be dropping a giveaway participation link. So anyone who haven't participated in the giveaway, they can enter and comment why they deserve a seat or a free 1 month free coupon of Infinity Learning platform. So I will be dropping the link as well as the email. So if you have any problem or any queries, you can send queries on support@cyberwarfare.live. So yeah, we can start. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks for the warm introduction, Nandini. So, here now we will start the webinar. So, I will be sharing my screen. So, am I audible to everyone? So, today we are going to see one of the important topic in red teaming. So, that is Uber attack stimulation. So, in this challenge, we are going to play the Infinity Playground and we are going to solve some of the flags as well. So, let's get started. So today agenda is description for the challenge. First of all, we have to discuss the infinity challenge and then what is the attack scenario and attack flow. Then we will be solving the challenge lab. So the description is very simple. Actually, this webinar demonstrates how real world threat groups like Lapsus compromise enterprises using MFA, social engineering, and credential abuse. Participants will walk through an end-to-end Uber style breach from VPN access through privileged system takeover. So before going deep dive into this, I would like to I would like to tell what is Lapsus, and if you guys are know about that, it will be very nice. But who if you don't know about that, you can read from this wikipedia.com. So here we will be showing what is lapses, and not only Uber attack. um, this lapses enterprises occupied the only Uber. It is we can tell Samsung and Ubisoft, T-Mobile, and Microsoft as well in some of the year. And now we are going to replicate this Uber. It happened in 2022. So this is the original Lapsus walkthrough. If you have any doubt, you can read about this. And we will go. So this is the description and this is the stimulation goal. So how we are going to replicate this Uber challenge. So first of all, Uber was compromised using the following techniques. So first of all, what they have done is they have sent lot of requests in one website. So mistakenly what happened, one of the like administrator, he accepted the request. We will give like around 10 requests to the web server. So mistakenly the administrator will accept one of the request, so that is MFA, multi-factor authentication. So after that, once we compromised that, we will be getting our credential. So after that, what we can do, so we can access the VPN. So we will be in that web server, we will be having one VPN file, so we can able to access in from our Kali machine. And once we connected that, we can able to um, go internally using reconnaissance or exploitation and etc. So after that fourth step, we are going to exploit the PAM. And this is how this one small mistake can lead to full enterprise compromise. So this is what it happened. This is a real scenario happened in our world. And this is the attack flow, how it look like. So whatever I have mentioned before, um, it shows very clearly in the attack flow. I will be telling this in the um, challenge lab. So here we are going to try this challenge. So this is the APT challenge. So first of all, I would like to open this challenge. I have already opened. So this is the challenge and I'm going to start this. So it will take a moment, and once it started, we can use this URL for the login. So first I opened and I have got the credentials as well here. So first log in into this page. Yeah, so first we log in, we can see this page, multi-factor authentication. So here we can see some of the stuff like send mass MFA authentication prompts, and here something written. So let's go and read this scenario as well. And the attack scenario is your task is to replicate Lapsus approach to infiltrating Uber's infrastructure. So specifically what we will get is MFA fatigue attack. So which means execute a stimulation that mirrors Lapsus method of overwhelming employees with repeated MFA push request. So as I mentioned before, we will be giving lots of message to the repetitive request to the web server. So, aiming to induce approval through frustration or error. It might be a frustration or error. The administrative will provide the access. So, and then social engineering. Develop a phishing campaign targeting Uber employees to harvest credential into granting access. Then credential abuse and leverage privilege escalation, then unauthorized access of PAM, whatever I have mentioned before, it's written here, persistent and exfiltrating. So, first of all, this is our objective. So, the IP range it shows employee VPN IP is 10.0.10/24, and our target IP is 192.168.5.0. So, one is out of scope, it is written. So let's dive in deep into this. So first we need to get the leaked employee VPN. So how we will get? So once we get into the credential and this, so view source code. So here you can see some of the things, right? So here it is written something. Wait, we will check from here. So from there we have something static js vpn key.js. Let's find out where is it. So here it is written, right? So let's click this and we have got some of the vpn raw code we have got. So what we can do is just open our kali machine. So I will just grab my kali. So I entered, and what you have to do is sudo nano and whatever name you want, and you can type whatever notes or something dot txt or anything. I have already this file, but still, like, I will show you how to do this. Just sudo nano node.txt, then give password. So we have got one empty screen. So what we have to do is just we need to copy and paste all the code in the notes. So once we have done, you can see the code properly here. By the way, I'm not going to save this code first of all, because I have already this file in my system. Also, I have saved has no notes.ovpn. So I will show you how it look like. It's the same file only. So this is the file. Whatever we have seen in this um, uh, uh, source page, or whatever source page, same file I have pasted in the notes. So this is our ovpn file as of now. So I just clear it, and this is our file. So just do sudo open vpn. So first of all, just enter, and it is asking username and password. So here what we need to do is, here only we are going to push the request. So just send. So we have sent it one time. You can see over here prompt count is 1. So we need to send around 10 times to get the credential. So once you clicked to 10, after that 11 you have to stop for 10 seconds. So everyone will get different otp for the credential. So then password within 10 seconds you have to give, otherwise it won't work. Yeah, so I have connected. So now just ipa. So you can see here my vpn is 10.10.10.2. 1 minute. um, One more vpn is also running here. I will disconnect it. Yeah. So now I can see, yes, so now I can see 10.0.10.2 is my vpn for that particular account. I mean this one. So now we have got this code and we have pasted, and now we can exit and we can start our stimulation. So up to here we have done. So once we connected that, we have to do internal network reconnaissance. We can do anything like nmap or normal scanning. So here what we are doing, we are in the internal network. So post connection, we will scan the internet using nmap for assert discovery. So upon executing the following, we will find cwl infra.xml file. Open it using any web browser. So we can use any web browser for that. So as of now I'm going to run this in my kali machine. So it is taking, asking password. So just give. I hope it will take time. So let's copy this and we'll try in the Firefox what it is telling. Let's see. We are getting some raw code here as well. It seems like HTTP. So from this syntax, what we can see means we can see whatever open ports are available. And here they have mentioned we identified 4 IPs, out of which that 5.1 is out of scope. It has been identified that 5.10 has Samba, I mean TCP port 445 running, which is a Linux machine. So we have found that. Let's see if it is giving output or not. So it's 83% done. Let's wait for 1 more minute. I don't think so it will give output for me. So let's move to other step. Like, has a thread, attacker first try to connect it to an anonymous user. So we are using SMB client here. So the IP will be 10, and we will check. Yeah, it shows yes. So we got the output right. So here we have got some of the output, and the nginx is open, ssh, http, and we can see here lot of ports are open. And actually it is taking little time, but it's fine. Finally we got the output. So here we can see something like 5.100 also there, and that is also open, and 10 also open. And here has we mentioned that 10 is the Samba. So HTTP port. So 55445 is running. So what we can do is simply we can try to run this as anonymous user. So let's try it out. We will do this command, and obviously it will ask password. So we are not going to give any password. So hit enter. So it is giving some of the share names like type and command as well, it is written. So print public and IPC. So we will target public. Let's see if it contain any information or not. So do not provide any password, it is written here as well. And the third is we are going to inside this public. So let's do that. So we have provided SMB client, and that IP whatever we want to see, that is public. And directory username we are not going to give anything, password just hit enter. And here we got some .ps1 file. So this file we are going to download by using download command only. So we will be using get command, or yeah, get command. We are going to use get command for this. And let's run this command as well. So let's run. So yes, so it downloaded successfully. Just check. Yes, so here we can see some of the interesting stuff. What is that? Advanced often obfuscation of credential. So first of all, we have got some of the encoded information here. So this is the username, and this is the password, and this is the password part 2. So let's decode this. We have got in a format of encoded. So simply what we can do, we can use two commands for that. So this is the thing we have got. So echo the same password whatever we got here, this one. And base 64D. So what this will do means it will decode the thing. So it decoded, and it is giving pam at ubercorp.com. So again we can do the same for a password as well. So password also we can do. Yes, so it gave the password as well. So after this we found one thing here. So it seems that it is a palm solution IP. So palm, in the sense, it is a privileged access management. So it is mentioned in the same script. Yeah, we saw that here. So here you can see this HTTP 192.168.5.12 core auth login. So for this login only we have got this username and password. So let's copy and paste it in our Firefox. Just hit enter and it is showing some jump server. So already we have got the credential. Yeah. So this is the username. Copy, paste it here, and this is the password. Just copy, paste it here. So just sign in. Okay. So we sign in here. Yeah. So here we can see lot of things like HSS, and here you can see the things. Username is spam administrator, email is that whatever we have provided, and login date. And here we can see some of the recent login as well. So we have uh, we have got everything for the PAM resources. So almost we abuse that as well. So after this we need to go inside the access asserts section. So let's go here, and here you can see web CLI. So let's try to open that. So here you can see command line. So just connect. Yes, we connected inside this machine. Yeah, so we successfully logged in here. And the final thing what we have to do is we have to get the flag. That is our final answer, I hope. um, Also we have to provide these answers as well. So whatever we have followed here the question also there, so we have to provide the answer. I will tell you whatever wherever the answer is present. So first of all here, how we will get the final answer. So it is present in the desktop, and once we went inside the desktop, we can see the answer for that. Just desktop, then ls. Yeah, the flag is present here. So we will cover all of the flags, and this will be our final flag. This whatever we have found now, final flag discovered inside the palm guest machine without cwl. Okay. So first question let's read. And if you can, whatever I have solved, if you can give me the answer in the comment box or question box as well. So what is the provide the IP address of the machine which have open SSH server of version 8.2 P1 Ubuntu 4 Ubuntu 0.11 running. So what will be the answer? If you can um, provide me in the question box, even I will see that. Anyone can give whatever I have solved from now. Yeah, please. Can you, anyone can provide the answer? Yeah, somebody told 10.2.10.5. Okay. Okay, let's try that answer. Prakash told that 2.10.5. So this answer told by Prakash. So let's check. No, Prakash, this is wrong answer. Um, I'm expecting more answers from you guys. Or you guys want to see the source? I can show. So from here we need to check once we are doing the internal reconnaissance. So here only we have got the answer for that. It is present inside this text only. So if you guys are finding anything, you can share. I will try each and every answers. You can See here as well. I will show you properly from here. Yeah. So the answer is present here only. The question is like, I will again show you the question. Yeah, so Akshat Kumar told 192.168.5.100. We can't work on the lab. Yeah, it's true only. Yeah. So let's try with Akshat Kumar. And he told 195.100. So let's check that answer. So 192.168.5.100, I hope. Yeah. So let's check this answer. Yeah, it's correct. Yeah, Akshat Kumar told correct answer. Yeah, Prakash, like you also came very close to the answer, but you didn't find, but it's fine. Yeah. Yeah, the answer is present here. You can see from this, and this is what the answer is showing, like open SSH port, and these are the version. So you can see the question. You can able to understand. Yeah, so this is what present in that IP. So how many network shares are accessible anonymously in that dot 5.10 host? So, can anyone tell what is that answer? Three, four. Yeah, everyone is telling different answers. Okay, okay, three shares. Yeah, most of the answer will be three. Okay, okay, let's try three. Okay, I will be trying three. Yes, so three is the correct answer, and this also we have found domain name of the enterprise that comes out when decoding the encoded username. So it is asking for the encoded username. Already we have found the answer. Let's see what you guys are telling. Yeah, like most of the person told three, it's correct answer as well. Uber.corp. Ubercorp.com. Let's check it's correct or not. I will show you the source code first of all, because but we have got the whole palm at ubercorp.com. Let me try this first, because that is our encoded, but what they are asking only for the domain name. So domain name in the sense, sorry, it's not copy pasting. That's fine. So somebody gave answer here. Let's try it out. This uber.com. My bad, it's not copy pasting. That's fine. So for let's provide this. Yeah, somebody gave Ankush gave like full name. Yeah, that's correct, Ankush. But it's like whole. It's a email ID. But in the question, they are asking only for the domain name. So domain name in the sense, PAM won't come. So you have to provide only ubercorp.com. So yeah, it's correct. So the next question is, base 64 encoded version of password discovered in the automate.ps1 script, so that anyone can tell. Yeah, so here Akshat Kumar gave the answer. Let me copy this. Let me try this answer. If it not work, I will provide my own answer. Whatever we have got in the Kali, but it worked. Yeah, nice. Nice, Akshat Kumar. You are giving more answers. That's nice. So, next question is IP address of the PAM. So, can anyone tell what is the IP address for the PAM? It is 5.12. Like, only Akshat Kumar is telling, like, anyone can tell. Like, I have solved the lab. Everyone saw that. So, if you guys can give me more answers, I'm expecting more IP address. So, from that, I can explain where you guys are wrong. Okay, somebody is telling 10. Give me access to the lab. Yeah, of course. After this session, you guys will get 1 month premium access for that. So don't worry. Yeah, I got it. Your things. Yeah, somebody told 5.10 auth.login. Okay. So I will read out the question again. IP address of the PAM. It is like very simple question. What is the IP of the PAM? So let's go here. And here you can see here, this is the PAM website, right? So once we are logging, we got this IP 192.168.5.12. I don't know. Where is 10 actually? How you guys are telling it's 10? It's not 10 because it is only focused on the PAM. So PAM, how we have got is, we have got from here, from the script we have got this answer. If you go inside it, and from this script we can see the password, and we can see here one URL, HTTP URL. From there only we have got that 5.12. So let's enter that answer. Yeah, might be, but not exactly in map. We have saw from the automate.ps1 file. From there we have saw username, password, and the IP. Once we have logged in here, after that only we got to know it is a PAM. So here you can see it is a website, and you can see properly here 192.168.5.12. So let's try this answer. Yeah, 192.168.5.12. Okay. Yeah, it's correct answer. So we'll go. Only two questions are left. Host name of the guest machine present inside the PAM server. So can anyone tell what will be the answer? Uber Vault. Vault admin machine. Uber Vault. Then I'm expecting more answers. Yeah, I have got so many answers. Uber Vault. Okay, let's check that answer. Uber Vault. Sorry. Yeah, it's wrong answer. Why? Because I have provided small letter. So Uber and Vault will be, I hope so. Let's check. Yeah, it's correct. So finally, we have to discover this. We have saw the file, flag.txt file. So anyone know that answer as well? If you guys solved this challenge before, you might know the answer. But let's find. Okay, yeah, Akshat Kumar, I guess he solved this challenge previously. That's fine. It's nice also. So let's go inside this palm machine, and we have got the CLI, right? So from there we have got the CWL flag.txt. So just open this using cat command, and here we have got the answer of this. Yeah, so this is the answer for that. Let's yes, use cat and the flag location. Yeah, I did. Okay, so let's try to copy paste from here itself. Like, okay, from there I will copy this answer. Yes, so we have got 20 points in this APT lab challenge, and I hope you enjoyed this challenge. And it was a little bit, it's nice and interesting challenge also. In APT section, you can get this Uber attack stimulation. Whenever you guys are free, please try it out from our Infinity Learning. So thanks, Akshat. So this is the challenge. Finally we have solved this. So anyone have any question, you can ask. If you don't have, that's also fine. Yeah, I hope everyone liked this APT challenge, and it was fun as well. um, and it's an interesting challenge also. So whoever have got, like, if you are getting time, you can try to solve this challenge by yourself. um, can you please provide resources from where we can read more about this attack? Yeah, we will give. Also we will provide you the PPT access in the our official website cyberwarfare.live, so you can directly go and download this PPT. And if you want more resources, means you can simply search on Google. You will get lots of, like, I have showed you like lapses, and you can here as well I didn't told everything about the lapses, because our main motto is to solve the challenge. So because of that I didn't much focus about these lapses. But if you want to learn more about this and resources you want, you can um, surely you can read out this Wikipedia as well. It shows everything, like Uber and Microsoft and everything. So here you can see and learn. Can this be exploited using other tools like Metasploit? Yeah, it could be. Yeah, we can use, but this stimulation is mainly focused for Kali machine. You can use, but it's up. It's all up to you. Whatever approach you are going to give, it's all up to you. You can use. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Sure. I will give this link also. Yeah, I will send. Yeah, I have sent URL for you. Attack is something new and we'll search for it. Is it present in the? No, actually, it is not present in our course as of now. But we have lot of courses other than this, but not mainly focused on this MFA. But we do have some of the courses relating to pen testing and mainly red teaming as well. If you want to visit, you can directly go and visit cyberwarfare.live. So here you can see lots of red teaming courses available. So here you can see ADRTS, lateral movement, CRT, CRTID, and specialist as well. So these courses mainly focused on the red teaming side. And if you guys want to deep dive into this red teaming, you can directly enroll this, and you can try to learn more things about the red teaming. Also we have embedded the red teaming in our web security as well. So API, that is also red teaming only, and web also red teaming only. So you, if you want, you can go and verify our cyberwarfare.live. Yeah, actually this MFA we are doing done for the OVPN, for only OVPN. And first I showed the description as well. So the main part is the credential. um, Here you can see perform MFA attack against the Uber employee. So this is mainly focused for the, we have to get the VPN credentials, right? Because of that only we are using this um, thing. Yeah, yeah, thank you. Yeah, you can share your resume to careers dot cyberwarfare.live. Yeah, thank you, Akshit Kumar. How can we access the lab? Yeah, you can access from this our infinity dot live. If you want, I will send the URL as well. So this is the URL for that lab. If you have premium subscription, then only you can see. So although we are giving 11 attendees for subscription, we are giving freely. So yeah, you can access from our Infinity. I will show you. So infinity.cyberwarfare.live, you can directly go inside this lab and do sign in. Yeah, I have connected this. It is loading. So yeah, so not only this challenge, you can play lot of challenge in this APT labs. So as of now, I have solved only one lab, and this is Uber hack simulation. So you can explore more labs as well if you are interested. So that's all for this webinar. I hope you all enjoyed this session, and thank you for your support as well. Okay, so I'm leaving everyone. Thanks to attend this webinar.